Happy Vlogmas Day 4.
So what was it? Let me guess. Let me guess.
Open yours. Open yours.
You open?
Open yours.
No! How is Layla better than...
Because she's smarter than me.
I see it. It's Baby Yoda.
Okay, there's number 2. Number 2.
Ornament.
It's an ornament. No, it's actually a reef.
Oh, I guessed it.
Oh, you look fab. We're just walking to see a friend, and Layla, watch out. Look at me. You're so cute. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I'm wearing sunglasses because it's really bright.
Oh yeah, it is a little bright, huh?
So that's how God
I love
says
this coat.
hello to us. Right?
Right.
Hey everybody!
Hey everybody, we are running a little late, so we need to go. But we are going to watch Emmy dance. We're so excited about it.
Emmy's
Layla just started
dating.
dance this year. Layla's favorite person is Emmy. It's gonna be the best, huh?
And I'm Drew Emmy!
Okay, hurry and get your coat on, sis. Gager came.
I can.
It's just us 3 tonight, which is nice. I love like a little group time, a little smaller group time. Everyone else was doing other things. Are you bringing your doll? You got your coat on? I can't tell. Oh yes, you do. Get it on. You look fab. Oh, I think it's upside down. Let's get that.
Flying a Range Rover sports truck.
That's
Here,
a
hold this.
Range Rover, guys.
Range Rover sports truck.
Okay, you gotta hurry.
Hey guys, how's life?
Hurry.
We're just hurrying into this like place to.
Gager.
I'm just gonna vlog. My day at school was pretty good. No, did some lots of
Are you
schoolwork.
liking your haircut?
I'm liking my haircut. I vlogged about it this morning. No,
you did?
2 mornings ago. Still doing it the same. Yeah, that's a life right now. So cool.
Hey guys, still working on some crafts, and I was just thinking that I wish that I would have done it before and after so I could show you the whole process of taking something from the Dollar Tree and turning it into something that you want. I didn't do that, however, I'm just going to quickly kind of show you what I'm doing. So you can find signs like this at Dollar Tree. They don't have to be Christmas, they can be anything. The signs that I'm using don't look exactly like this, but I love these edges because if you scrape along like the lines, you can make it look like wood planks. And I really love that, but I didn't want it for this project, but I just wanted to give you an example. So I started by sanding off all the glitter. Gotta get all that glitter off, especially if you're painting it. And then, you know, just only want it painted because the glitter will show through, and then you can see the design. So sand that down. I ended up getting these at Walmart. I really like using these rather than just sandpaper. I got these though to sand my mantle. Anyway, so I did that, and then on these ones, I just printed off a little Jack Frost just from my printer. I originally printed this one, and then my kids said when they think of Jack Frost, they don't think of him, which I do because he's my favorite. They think more of this, and I thought other people might also. So I printed him off, and then I just put Mod Podge like right in the center here, and then I just put this right down. Tried to smooth it out. You can see it's so wrinkly. I was hurrying. And let it dry, and then once it was dry, I just peeled off the paper so that it would kind of leave this edge like this. That's all I did for this sign, and then I kind of sanded it, but I think I'm going to touch it up. And I did 2 signs so I could tie them together, and then it would stand on its own because we needed 2-sided. So I'm doing that also over here. I did the same thing. This was a different shape, and this said Noel. So I sanded it all down, and then I painted it blue because it was red. So I painted it all blue and white in the middle where I was putting the design just so that it stayed white. And then again, just added Mod Podge right around here, let it dry and peeled it off. And now I'm just taking a little paint. I have a little white paint right here. And I'm just kind of going along these edges to kind of blend them in. And I think I'm gonna do this over on the other side also. And then I'm gonna go around the edge with some blue also, just to kind of blend that all in. So it just looks like Jack Frost. I did love this sign because it did have snowflakes, but they were just the wrong colors. But you can kind of still see some of the imprint that I wasn't able to sand away. I kind of love that. So just along these edges.
Hi guys.
Hi, Layla.
Why aren't you doing a craft? Don't look at
Do
me
you
like
want to
that.
do a craft?
Can I bite your nose off? I'll bite your nose off.
So I'm just kind of like blending this in, and then I'm going to blend the blue in. Let's see a funny face, sis. Let's see it. Wow. I'm going to do the same thing over here because you can just kind of see this design more than I thought. So I just kind of blend this. Just so it looks a little more like it's supposed to be like this. Not like I just Mod Podged a, that's gross, sorry. Mod Podged a picture on here. I loved this though because it was like a sled, which is also adorable on its own. But I wanted to show you this because you can make any decoration you want. So if you are someone who likes to change your decorations every single year, this is something you could do because I just printed these off of my computer, and you can just make it whatever you want for super inexpensive. This is gonna be like $2. If you're having party or, you know, Christmas parties or get-togethers, you can make it anything you want. Any holiday, anything you want. I was running out of ink, blue ink, so I just got a marker and like went around some of the edges to make it have a little more dimension because it was just printing it off in like one color of blue. You know, anyways, I'm gonna show you these once they're all done. And I have some ribbon, there's some leftover ribbon somewhere, I don't know. I'll show you when I'm done. I'm just gonna tie them together. I just used this jute that was on the sign to tie it together at the top, and then it just stands on its own. And then I'll do the same thing over here. They have holes at the top, and I'll just tie those together so that they'll stand on their own. And I am making some snowflakes. I don't know if I have showed these, but these are from the dollar store. These are from Hobby Lobby, but I just painted them and then added glitter. Okay, I think that I'm like done. I'm just gonna step away. You know, when it's like, you keep messing with it, I'm just gonna step away. I got them painted, everything on. I got snowflakes painted and glittery, and I'm going to put them on there also. Oh, cutest! Anyways.
Guys, look at my rocks.
It looks a lot better painted. I think it just blends it more. Got this one put together. I'm gonna do something, let it snow.
It's 10 o'clock.
It is 10 o'clock. Shoot, we're late for everything. It's time for bed.
No, it's time for my clothes.
More snowflakes, just to like add around the sign. You know, obviously not right there. Anyways, yeah, we finished that up. Layla has a program today, so we're gonna go curl her hair. Are you ready? Put that away so we can go curl your hair.
Oh, man.
Oh, man. I also need to do something with myself. I'm excited to get this stuff finished up and put away and the mess cleaned up. Okay, Layla. Oh, shoot, I went out there to get a brush. Okay. I'm gonna get a brush and then we're gonna do your hair. Why is the hairbrush out here? I don't know. Oh, I did Layla's hair out here this morning. That's why we were running late. I was looking all over in the bathroom. You hear Rosie following me back and forth. Hi, are you following me? I've been trying to teach Rosie to shake, and she's not getting it at all. Not at all. Not one single bit. She does not understand what I'm saying. She can sit and lay down, but I like have been putting my hand out and saying paw, and I do it with treats, and she just either will like put her little face in my hand like this, or she just is like, where's the treat?
Guys,
I don't understand what you want from me. But
I'm
gonna keep working on it every day. I'm determined.
Guys, look. I know how to get out my braid.
Oh, you did an excellent job. Okay, we're gonna curl Layla's hair.
Can I please?
That's a good one. Okay, we're gonna hurry and curl her hair and then we'll show you what it looks like. Are you so excited?
Yeah. It's my first ever program. I'm having like a bad feeling about this.
Why?
Because I think I'm gonna do bad.
You're gonna do great.
I'm being a green shepherd.
I can't wait to see you.
Green shepherd? And guess what? What's our new color? What? Green.
What?
Our
You're
new
gonna
color's
do amazing.
I know.
I can't wait.
Green and my favorite color is green. Yeah. My favorite color is golden and silver.
So
Yes.
I'm something that falls and it
Guess
doesn't
what?
break when I.
Snow.
Person came. And then he took off his finger.
Nuh-uh. Layla, you did so good. Now we're celebrating and having a little date with Gager. Rayleigh's car died, so everyone else is fixing the car. We're having some dinner.
Which I'm going to carnivals without me and I don't get to. Maybe tomorrow can I go to carnivals with my friends?
I don't know. Let's see. Yes. You did so good. I'm proud of you. Thanks for hanging out with us.